to watch Cooking with the Jammin Chefs at Disneyland.
Syncopation fun as we are cooking it with the Jammin Chefs.
Hey everyone! How we doing? Oh, we're still asleep, I see. Let's try that again. I said, how are we doing? That's more like it. If you're ready to cook it up, let me hear you say, yes, chef! Yes, chef! We can be loud as not say, yes, chef! Yes, chef! That's what I'm talking about. All right, crew, let's set it up. We are the Jammin Chefs, and we're extremely proud to be here at the Food and Wine Festival to present a cooking demonstration of the 3 unique elements that are traditionally featured in my cuisine. Welcome to Executive Chef Gorgonzola's Rolling Kitchen! Okay, we get it. As I was saying, my sous chefs here are each experts in their own specialty. Ready?
Yes, chef.
Heard?
Yes, chef.
Now allow me to introduce you to my 3 amazing sous chefs. First, the chef who has a wild passion for all things spicy. It's Chef Hal Apendo. Excellent taste. Next, the chef who specializes in the smooth roll and simmer. It's Chef Alfredo. Comfort food at its finest. And last but certainly not least, the chef who brings the texture and that satisfying crunch. It's Chef Pop Ecorn. You see, these 3 measure up to my high standards because we don't just celebrate food, we elevate food, yes. And helping with our preparations, I have my kitchen assistants, Daisy Duck and Clarabelle Cow. Yes, and my 2 eager apprentices, Chip and Jip. Chip and Delicious! And today, I will lead this cast iron crew in demonstrating our twist on a classic, Rat-a-tat-tat-too. Now, pay close attention. As executive chef, my years of experience have led to advice that is sound. And this is why I've assembled this talented team who will help demonstrate for you how to create the perfect blend of spice, sauce, and texture with techniques that call for precision, stamina, and speed. My crew! everyone back to your stations.
Yes, chef.
My team, seasoned professionals who relish in a good joke. Hey, it was good enough in rehearsal. Okay. Back to ratatouille, a signature dish of France. To begin any good recipe, we must work together as a team. And I run a very strict kitchen. But today I will leaven my attitude by inviting all of you in the dining section to help prepare the mise en place. Now, first rule in my kitchen, watch closely and follow along. Yes, it's time to slice and dice. All right, first up, Chef Hal, master on the cutting board. Show us how it's done. We slice, and dice. Everyone now, slice. Yes, slice. We slice and dice. We slice, now slice. We slice and dice. So Chef Hal, expert, perfect even layers. Everyone together. Here we go. We layer and layer. Now layer and layer it and one layer and layer. I see you layer and you're a natural layer and layer and layer and layer it. Now we know he has the sauce. Let's add a little spice. Alfredo. We sauce and spice. We sauce and spice. You got it. Sauce and spice. Very good. And chef's kiss. Now that you have all the ingredients, it's time to put it all together. If you're ready, say yes, chef. Louder, yes, chef. All right, here we go. We slice and dice. Now the layers, layer and layer. Very good. Layer and layer. Now sauce and spice. Not too spicy. Now sauce and spice. Very good. Sauce and spice and the chef's kiss. Now in my kitchen, practice makes perfect. So we're gonna do it again. We slice and dice. Now the layers, layer and layer. Nice and good. Layer, very good. And layer it. Now sauce and spice. That's sauce and spice. Very good. Sauce and spice and the chef's kiss. Excellent work. Give yourself a round of applause. You have all earned the right to be called my honorary line cook. And now, as a special treat, my sous chefs will cook up a storm. Glad you can see I've hand-selected each of my sous chefs for a very specific reason. You know, they really are the best in the business. You know why that is? Because I taught them everything they know. It's true. They really put this perfect in the Now, we don't tolerate any chili combinations here in my kitchen. Now, just wait until you taste this ratatouille. So delicious. Are you starting to smell it? Oh, I hope so. Can you taste this? Oh, you're just going to love it. The crunch, the sauce. Yeah. This is not what I taught you. This is a recipe for disaster. I guess I'm not really the big cheese. I just stink, don't I? It's all wrong. The crunch, the spice, the sauce. Oh, the sauce. All right. It's masterful. It's beautiful. It's magic. You all work together to create something better than the original. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Add the spices, the crunch, and turn it into something more. Might seem like they don't go together, but there's something that you may not know. Thank you so much, everyone. And thank you, crew. So you see, sometimes the most delicious discoveries come from when everyone adds what they love to the recipe. We may have different rhythms, but mix it up together in its kitchen sink. Ovation! Okay. Well, go, enjoy, and taste everything. Because food, like life, is a celebration.